Hello YouTube, this is Sneeuwolf, and today we're going to look at the Kaiser Safelight that I bought. Let's have a look what's inside. So, quality inspection document. And what's this? Okay, so the light bulb is not fixed correctly. They need to fix it. Okay, no problem. This is the light. It looks much better than expected. But yeah, for the price point, I think it should be this good. It cost 46 euros, which is quite a lot, I think, for a piece of plastic, a light bulb. Yeah, so the quality, well, as far as plastic goes, it looks okay. And here at the bottom I can see there is there's some holes to mount them, but unfortunately no mounting screws, which is very annoying. The other thing I noticed is that you can tilt it. You can fix it to the wall and then tilt the light. Oh, and that works very easily. Now let's see if the cord here is long enough. Oh yeah, it's quite long. Yeah, you can reach everywhere. Just a bit. There's something in there. Ooh, the filter is very thick. Oh, but that's it. I only got one filter. Oh, that's stupid. Online they say, oh, you can place multiple filters in here for the different applications, but I only got one. Yeah, I hope this one will do, because and really you need to screw in the bulb because it's quite loose. Super small bulb. A bit yeah, cheaply made actually. For 46 euros, that's a bit too much. I think price point, especially without filters, no matter how thick they are, should be a bit cheaper, this thing. I think 15 euros max. There's nothing to it, huh? Well, let's see how it will work, huh? Let's try it out. It's quite dark now, but oh yeah, actually it's not too bad. No, you guys can't see it, huh? Maybe like this you can see it. Wait, huh? I'll put something here in the middle. See? You guys can see something, huh? Yeah, it's bright enough to do. It will do the job quite. Yeah, much better than my bicycle light. For comparison, this is the bicycle light, which actually is also quite good. Now we do the expensive Kaiser light, same height, or it's I think a lot less light. But you know what difference is? The Kaiser light will brighten up the whole workspace evenly, and the bicycle light only will shine actually on what's underneath, directly underneath it. So, wow, I'm quite happy, huh? You can hang it higher, hang it lower. See, like that, you can go very low. You can see everything. So, yes, you can use a bicycle light, but better use a dedicated light. It gives you much more light. Not sharper or brighter, but the light will spread more evenly. Throughout the workspace, you will be able to see what you exactly are doing. So, yeah, I'll give it a try. Also, you can just plug it in. It's always easier than having to be busy with batteries. Okay, that was it for now. Have a nice day, and please like and don't forget to subscribe. I need you guys to support me. Really, thank you. Okay, bye bye.